The Korean stock market has once again failed to gain recognition as a developed market by Morgan Stanley Capital International, an investment index company based in New York, providing global stock market indices for non-U.S. markets. Our Myung-kil tells us why.
The Korean stock market has been classified as a developed market by Dow Jones, Standard & Poor's, the Financial Times, and the London Stock Exchange. But on Wednesday, the global investment index provider Morgan Stanley Capital Investment retained Korea's status as an emerging market for the fifth time, along with Taiwan. Morgan Stanley Capital International, or MSCI, is a stock market index, which follows stock markets' performances in countries around the world and classifies them into three groups: developed, emerging, and frontier markets. The MSCI said Korea's high barriers in the financial sectors make trading difficult. Some of the obstacles cited include the limited convertibility of the Korean won and the requirement for foreign investors to identify themselves for every over-the-counter transaction. It's important for Korea to obtain the MSCI's developed market status because many fund managers use the MSCI classification as an important criteria when they draw up their investment portfolios. Experts say if Korea obtains the developed market status, then international investors will have better access to the Korean equity market.
If Korea is classified as a developed nation by the MSCI, then foreigners are expected to buy an additional $6 billion worth of Korean stocks.
The Korea Exchange says the latest decision from the MSCI will not have much effect on the local financial markets, and that the global index provider will again review Korea's market status next year. Meanwhile, Greece became the first developed nation to be downgraded to an emerging market. Qatar and the United Arab Emirates were raised to emerging markets from frontier market status. Myung-kil, Arirang News.